Hi everyone, it's Andrew Stadel and welcome into the third installment of the Grade 3 Estimation 180 Toolkit. This thing is jam-packed. If you teach fractions in third grade, then this is going to be a key foundation installment for you and your students. A bonus part of this installment is giving students the opportunity to add and subtract within 1,000 as well as multiples of 10. Let's dive in and take a quick overview. So look at all this goodness waiting for you in the fractions module. We get to talk about the unit fraction. We get to talk about A to B fractions that are not the unit fraction. And we get to talk about comparing fractions, meaning what fractions are equivalent to each other. This module allows you and your students to go deep with many examples, many video reveals, and many handouts for students to really get their hands on so they can visually understand what a fraction is. That fractions are numbers too. And of course, we got to level it up with some fluency games. There's 2 fluency games. There's a 4 in a row fluency game. And then there's a game I call Get to 1, where students are practicing not only equivalent fractions, but placing fractions on a number line. They're going to love it. As I mentioned earlier, the bonus to this installment is giving students a chance to round numbers, to add and subtract numbers within 1,000, and multiply by multiples of 10. The cheese crackers are back as the vehicle here where students are adding and subtracting, they're rounding, and of course they're multiplying. In terms of multiples of 10 and seeing how many cheese crackers you can fill up in a certain space. Now this module includes 2 of my favorite games called 1,000 or Bust or 0 or Bust. And it gives students a chance to really practice their triple digit adding and subtracting. It's a blast. This third installment is going to lay a key foundation for students with their understanding of fractions that will pave the way for success in grades 4 and 5. And of course, leveling things up, but also have some fun with some fluency games. So check out the toolkit. I think you're really going to love this installment.